Are you looking forward to fix Trade app not updating? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you need to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Make sure you are connected to strong Wi-Fi. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is move into the App Store. After that, close the application and reopen it. It will refresh the app. Sometimes refreshing might also fix the issue. After that, do check if you can update or not. Or else you can try restarting your device. Tap and hold assistive touch and click on restart. Most of the time, restarting might also fix the issue. Now move into settings of a device and head over to general. Inside general, move into iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough space and storage on your device. If not, clear it out and make some space. Now move into software update. If any of the updates are available, then simply update it to the latest version. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.